You've been there, haven't you? Trying so hard to reach her, trying to comfort her when she's clearly hurting, but instead of drawing closer, she pulls away. And as much as you try to be there, she becomes more distant, more cold. It leaves you confused, alone, wondering why she's pushing you away when she needs you the most. And here's the gut-wrenching truth. The reason she pushes you away isn't as simple as it seems. It's not because she doesn't love you. It's not because she doesn't need you. It's something far deeper, something hidden in the shadows of female psychology, something that, once you understand, can change everything about your relationship. Stay with me, because the answer to this emotional puzzle could be the key to unlocking a deeper, more meaningful connection with her. And it all starts with understanding the psychology behind her behavior. From a young age, women are taught to be independent, strong, self-reliant. They're told that to succeed, they must stand on their own 2 feet. But what happens when a woman is hurting, vulnerable, and emotionally raw, yet is terrified to show it? When she's been conditioned to handle things herself, her instinct is to push you away the moment she feels overwhelmed. She pushes you away because she fears losing herself in someone else. She's afraid that if she leans on you, if she admits she needs you, she'll lose control. She doesn't want to be weak. But here's the kicker. The more she distances herself, the more she needs you. The more she pretends to be fine, the more she's longing for your support. Do you understand what this means? When she pushes you away, it's not because she doesn't care. It's because she's fighting her own vulnerability. And the truth is, she's terrified of showing it, terrified of needing someone. But you have the power to help her feel safe enough to let go of that fear. Think about the last time you tried to comfort her when she pulled away. Did she seem to need space? Drop a comment below and share your story. Let's talk about how we can support the women in our lives when they wear that mask of independence. How can we help them feel seen without overwhelming them? Every woman has scars, some visible, some hidden deep within. These scars are from past relationships, from betrayals, from emotional wounds that may never fully heal. And when a woman starts to let someone in again, when she feels that spark, that connection, she's terrified that history will repeat itself. She pushes you away because deep down, she's afraid. Afraid of opening up, of trusting you, of letting herself fall in love again, only to be hurt. And the more you try to get close, the more she pulls back. Not because she doesn't care about you, but because she's already been burned once before. When she retreats, it's not a rejection of you. It's a defense mechanism to protect herself from the very thing she fears the most, losing herself to someone who will hurt her again. But you can break through that fear by showing her that you're different, that you're safe, that you're not going anywhere. Imagine being the person who breaks down those walls, not by pushing harder, but by being patient, understanding, and gentle. You don't have to fix her, just be there. When you show her that you're not going to hurt her, she might just open up in ways you never expected. Has she ever pulled away because of past hurt? Leave a comment and tell me about a time when you struggled to break through her emotional walls. How did you handle it? Let's dive into how we can heal these wounds together. Women's emotions are never just one thing. They're a tangled web of conflicting feelings, sometimes all happening at once. A woman can feel joy, sadness, fear, and desire in the same breath. This emotional complexity often leaves her confused about how to express herself, and even more confused about what she needs from you. She pushes you away not because she doesn't love you, but because she's overwhelmed by her own emotions. She doesn't know what she needs, how to ask for it, or if she deserves it. And the more she tries to sort through her feelings, the more distant she becomes. But this isn't rejection, it's confusion. When a woman retreats, she's trying to make sense of all the noise inside her. She needs someone who can just be with her in that moment of emotional chaos. Someone who doesn't need her to fix everything, but just to listen, to support. Someone who can stand by her when her emotions don't make sense. Have you ever been with a woman who felt overwhelmed by her emotions? How did you react? Share your story in the comments below. Let's help each other understand how to navigate those emotional storm clouds. Validation is something every woman needs, not just the "you look beautiful" kind of validation, but the deeper kind. She needs to feel understood, seen, valued for who she truly is, not just for her role as a partner, a mother, a friend. When a woman pushes you away, it's often because she feels like she's not being seen. Her worth isn't being acknowledged. And when she doesn't feel validated, she can't open up, no matter how much she needs you. She pushes you away because in that moment, she feels invisible. Imagine being the person who can see her, really see her. Who can make her feel like she matters, not just in the good times, but when she's broken, vulnerable, and unsure. When you validate her true self, you become the safe place she desperately needs. When's the last time you truly validated her, not just with words, but with your actions? Drop a comment and share how you show her she's truly valued, not just for what she does, but for who she is. I want to hear your thoughts. If you've made it this far, you now know the truth. Women push you away when they need you most, not because they don't care, but because they need to protect themselves. But the real question is, are you the kind of man who can break through those walls and be there for her in the way she truly needs? Understand this. Relationships aren't built in the easy moments. They're built in the tough ones, when vulnerability and understanding meet in the heart of emotional chaos. If you want to create a bond that lasts, a connection that goes deeper than the surface, you have to be the one who can meet her where she's at, no matter what. Hit the subscribe button now and turn on notifications, because this journey into understanding the complexities of relationships is just beginning. Don't miss out on more powerful insights into female psychology, emotional connection, and how you can build the kind of relationship that will stand the test of time. Leave a comment below with your biggest takeaway from this video and how you plan to support her when she pushes you away. Your insights could change someone else's life. Let's continue this conversation and grow together.